How about joining us on a hike to find Pistyll Gain Waterfall in Wales? As we couldn't park where initially planned, we went further down the road and made our own way. We eventually stumbled across this gorgeous bridge and had to stop to take a few photos, get the drone out and capture a few videos. We all made sure to get our selfies as well as our videos in. Also, as per usual, gathered everyone together to make sure we got that group shot before moving on to find the waterfall. This hike was fairly easy, fairly flat most of the way, no major inclines, and it was really enjoyable route. The waterfall itself was a bit tucked away, but however, when you come to this bridge, it becomes clear where it is and it stands out beautifully. If you make your way along the right hand side, just past the bridge, you find a little path that leads to a little viewpoint where we all gathered to get all our own photos, videos, and capture the moment together. We don't have to kick everyone out the way to take a few of our own selfies. But patiently taking a turn, no one fell in. We all managed to get great shots. After taking in the beauty of the waterfall, it was time to move on. And if you continue further around the path, you'll find another waterfall on the right hand side. However, this has been stopped. So we continued on and followed the path as it made its way up the hill and stumbled across a gorgeous bridge. Decided to take opportunity here and stop off for a few minutes to go and grab some more photos, some videos. Someone also decided to go for a cold dip in the river itself. And finally got everyone together for an awesome group shot before heading on. All in all, a really great day out and definitely suggest worth a visit.